Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the front springs on a Ford F-350. Let's get into it.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero.
Now that we have the truck jacked up, the tires off, we kept the jack in the front under the axle just to keep a little bit of tension on it. Now we are going to go ahead and take the upper bolt out of both sides of the sway arm off. That's an 18 millimeter. Then we're going to come around here to that bolt there and take the lower shock mount bolt off. That's an 18 millimeter. And then we also might need to take this 10 millimeter off of this brake line bracket. So let's go ahead and get to it.
'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
When you go to put your shock back in, this guy's going to be on the other side of the bolt. So that's what you'll be tightening it into, and your shock will be right here in the middle.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the front shock replacement on this Ford F-350. If you found this video helpful or informative, then head over to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget about that little bell in the corner. If you press that, you'll be notified anytime I post a new video.